Hey subbies, Fearless Femme here, coming to you with my face of the day. I am still on this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I'm telling y'all, this e.l.f. Prism eyeshadow palette is to die for, and like pay attention to their sales, because if it's on sale, you need to grab it, okay? It's originally $10, but if it's on sale, you need to grab it. All right, and y'all see that highlight? Ooh, she is giving y'all life right now, okay? Now that highlight, once again, is that Maybelline Cream Blush with the Naked Illuminating Powder over it. And if you guys need to know what the name of that powder is or what it looks like, it's the Naked powder that's in a box. And it's a body and face illuminating powder. And my contour is the Black Radiance contour that everybody uses. That stuff is awesome too. If you ever run into that, you need to pick it up. I use that all the time. I am still using the Tint Odelay foundation. I did mix my foundation with some of that Tarte illuminating cream that I won from Stallion for my giveaway. So I don't know if that's helping my highlight or not, but I'm loving the look. And on my lips is a Maybelline lipstick and the Lorac lip gloss that was in my Lippies of the week. Okay, this necklace is from my collection, and I have my little teddy bear ring here. Let him join me today. And I am ready for work. Stay sweet, stay beautiful, and I'll see you the next time we play in our makeup.